The reason your life sucks is because you ain't here, bro, worried about everybody else but yourself. Feel me? Understand that. That is the exact reason. Ain't no other thing about it. Ain't no, oh, I'm depressed. Oh, woo, woo, and all this other goddamn crybaby ass shit. No. Hey, man, you know who it is, man. LBRDEZ, man. Look, man, for me back here with another video for me. New subscriber, photo for me. Old subscriber, photo for me. Like the video for me. Watch all the way through. You goneless. That's a fact all the time. But look, man, today we're going to talk about what I'm saying. Why your life suck. I'm going to break it down to you. Why your life sucks. What am my mother the whole time? Gangster, and how you gonna be going about fixing it? What am I dead? But look, before I get into that, you already know what to say, right? Like the videos, a fat, I'm saying, subscribing now if you ain't subscribed, man. Tell me to get your buddy updated when I upload a new video. That's the fat, I'm saying, so leave that light, that's the fact. I'm saying, big up, y'all, pretty up, sexy. Got the Puma on me, man. I need a sponsorship. What am my mother? Polo for the shirt. What am I saying? Stop playing with me, jewelry on my wrist, you know what I'm saying? Chains on my neck. Stop playing, you feel me? I know the vibe, pretty and sexy. Stop playing all the time. You stop playing all the time. You stop playing all the time. But look, man, leave that light, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment in the comments down below how you felt about the video and do the biggest thing out of all those, bro. Subscribe, yo, bro. Subscribe. I'm LBR, bro. I'm the GOAT, the greatest, the myth, the legend, the TBE, the best ever, the prettiest, sexiest, yo, bro. Subscribe, man, yo, bro. I know a lot of y'all don't be subscribing. For me, what am my mother the whole time? It's because y'all girlfriend like me. What am my mother, bro? Your shorty you talking to on your phone, you texting her, you FaceTiming her. Yo, bro, understand. She getting her back out, beat her chest, so she getting blown out by big LBR. You feel me? I get it now. What am my mother? So it's not my fault. You know what I mean? Hide your hoe. But look, man, you feel me? My males and my females, the LBR gamers, y'all gotta understand. When I say off the rip, y'all already know somebody gonna win. Off the rip. Listen. The reason your life suck, bro, you gotta understand. The reason your life suck is that, bro, you sit here every single day, every single morning. You wake up, you get your early bird catches the worm head ass on. You wake up in the morning and all that whole time, and you so fixated and focused on everybody else's life. You feel me? You worried about this person on Instagram stories. You worried about this girl that's not texting you back. You worried about this dude over here who stole bread from you. What did my mother get his swiper no swiper head ass on? He stole your bread or something like that. You worried about everything else but yourself. What am I dead? And this is why your life sucks. When you understand, the more emphasis and goddamn, you know what I'm saying, attention that you put into your life, the more input you put into your life, guess what? The larger output you'll get out of your life. What am I mother the whole time? So understand, put the attention back to yourself, bro. Focus on yourself, man. This is a lot of y'all problem. Y'all don't always focus on yourself. Y'all so focused and fixated on somebody else, man. I'm trying to tell you, the more you worry about yourself, I'm not saying to be selfish, but you kind of have to be out here, you feel me? Gangster. Everybody focusing on their life, you feel me? Nobody worried about the money in your bank account. You could be broke as hell right now. Nobody coming here handing you $1 million. You feel me? The whole time this ain't Wheel of Fortune, bro. Nobody coming out here saying, LBR, here's $1 million gajillion. You know what I mean? Have a great life. Nobody's doing that, bro. What am I there the whole time? Get your charity session head ass on. This ain't no charity, bro. Life is not no goddamn charity. This ain't no foundation where you just get free money. No, bro. Understand. You need to focus on yourself. You need to care about your life for me the whole time. Because at the end of the day, I'm telling y'all, my males and my females, nobody's going to care about your life more than you. So if you don't care about your life, you think everybody else in life cares about your actual life? You think people actually care about your well-being? Hell no. You can die tomorrow, bro. Where am I dead? You could literally pass away. Like, yo, bro, you could have a cardiac arrest whole time and fall out, die in a chair. Bro, you think people ain't here crying? Nobody worried about your ass. You think somebody in Tennessee cared that you died? No, he worried about paying his light bill. He worried about paying the water bill. He worried about his actual life, his goddamn family, and the money in his bank account. So understand, the reason your life sucks is because you ain't here, bro, worried about everybody else but yourself. Feel me? Understand that. That is the exact reason. Ain't no other thing about it. Ain't no, oh, I'm depressed. Oh, woo, woo, and all this other goddamn crybaby ass shit. No, bro. It's because you're focused on other people's life, bro. Focus on yourself. And on top of that, focus on the things that you can actively change, bro. It's a lot of stuff in life, bro, that you cannot actively change. Focus on what you have control over, man. Because a lot of y'all be crying about your life. Oh, bro, I'm only 4'9". Get your little Uzi. Get your little Uzi height having ass on. You barely taller than Kai Cenat. You feel me the whole time. Understand, height, something that you can't control. Bro, it is what it is. Make the best of your situation, my males and my females. Stop sitting there, bro, and looking at the negative of your life for me the whole time. Get your negative Nancy head ass on. Get your negative pregnancy test nose ass back. You went in looking at all the negative. Look at the positive of your life, for me. Have gratitude. That's something, bro, that God or the universe created, bro. will in turn bless you more if you start to have more gratitude. You start to be more thankful for everything that's in your life. That's the same way for me, right? Look, I got this Puma sweater on right now. Got this bracelet on my wrist. I got these chains on my neck, earrings in my ear. For me, whole time, got the haircut on me and all that. What am I mother? I understand. I'm grateful for everything that's on my body right now, but I understand. I know I could go out there and get more. You feel me? So understand, you don't want to be content, but you want to be content, if that makes sense to a lot of y'all asses. Because a lot of y'all just go to the extreme, you feel me, whole time. You got to understand, you have to want more out of life because you understand how much potential you have inside yourself, but realize you have to be content with what you have. You can't be out here the whole time thinking that, oh, damn, bro, I got the bad end, I got the short end of the stick. Bro, everybody in life gets the short end of the stick every once in a while, you feel me? So don't sit there, bro, and get mad at your life. Don't sit there and hate your life. Don't sit there and try to compare your life to somebody else. And that's the biggest problem a lot of people do out here. We compare our life to somebody else. You comparing your life to Drake. You comparing your life to Bad Bunny. You comparing your life to LeBron James or goddamn Stephen Curry. Understand, bro, you can never beat them. So why would you even want to put that in your mind? All you're doing is messing up your mentality. You feel me the whole time? Get your therapy session head ass on. Now you want to go sit there and cry on somebody's shoulder. Oh, LBR, I don't know. I hate myself. Get your stupid ass on. Understand, bro. You need to love yourself, gang. You feel me? Love yourself, because nobody can be you. You feel me? Understand that. Nobody in life could be you. What am I dead? You're the only you out here. You ain't cloned. This ain't Star Wars, the Clone Wars. Get your human cloning center nose ass back. Understand, bro. You're not cloned. The only person that's you is you. So embrace that. You know what I'm saying? Embrace yourself, bro. Big up yourself. Understand that you're great and you're powerful. This is why I come in the videos and always tell y'all, my males and my females, you're great and you're powerful. So embrace yourself. Stop comparing yourself to somebody else and stop looking back at your damn past. Get your rear view mirror head ass on. You always worry about what happened in the past. Get your Guinness World Records head ass on, bro. After the past, bro. After, bro. All that is in the past, gang. You sitting here bringing the past to your damn present. Understand, this is why you feel so depressed. This is why you feel so bad about your life. And this is why, in turn, why your life sucks. Because you're sitting here, bro, worried about the damn past. You worried about that one girl in 5th grade who rejected you. You worried about that one time you failed that driver's test. You worried about that one time somebody did you dirty. Or this girl broke your heart. Understand, bro, it happened for a reason. Embrace the pain. Embrace the struggle. Embrace the time that you went through failure. Because all this does is make you a better individual for the new present and in the future. You feel me the whole time? Because imagine, bro, if you never got your heart broken. Imagine if you never lost any money. Imagine if everything in your life, bro, always went good. It wouldn't be no point in life, you feel me? Whole time, bro. That's like playing 2K with 99 overall, you feel me, whole time, everything maxed out. It's like, come on, bro. Yeah, you make scoring 100 points a game and all that, but you want to get there and go through the grind. You're going to go through the times you ain't, you know what I'm saying, you dribble, you losing the ball, you getting 8 turnovers a game. You feel me? You want to go through those times because those are the times that build you into that person that you're trying to become. You want to go through the grind, the struggle, bro. Understand? Because it's not about the destination. It's the journey. What am my mother whole time? I know you heard a lot of people say this in life. It's about the journey. It's about the person that you're becoming. It's because when you already get there, bro, it starts to get boring because you already maxed out everything. What am my mother whole time? Your skills is maxed out, gang. You LeBron James, bro. You already in the Hall of Fame. Ain't no going from the rookie season to the Hall of Fame now, bro. You already inducted, man. You feel me? So where you gonna go now? You feel me? It's over with for you. So understand, bro. Embrace your pain. Embrace your struggles. Embrace it. The struggle of life, man. Embrace the journey of it. Because at the end of the day, you realize this, my males and my females. Your life is not gonna improve until you improve. Let me say that again slowly for your ass. I know a lot of y'all hard at hearing. Get your hearing aid head ass on. Your life is not going to improve unless you improve. So understand, analyze your life. Literally, bro, dissect your entire life. Get your scientist head ass on. You know how they dissect frogs in science class and all that? Dissect every single portion of your life, my males and my females, and realize and see what are you doing good and what are you doing bad. And take out, remove all the negative and bad habits that you're doing on a daily basis and input those with great and good habits that you can actually sit there, bro, and in turn transform your life to the life that you actually want to have. You feel me? That's what you need to do. This is how you fix your life. Okay, cool. I'm fat and out of shape. What can I do? I can start eating better. I can start, going to the gym. I can start doing cardio. I can get around people, bro, who's actually in shape and take information and advice from these guys. You feel me? Understand this, bro. There's always always a way to fix a problem in your life that you can control. But a lot of us, we like to tend to focus on things that we can't control, bro. It's a lot of things in life you're not going to be able to control. You can't control the weather. You can't control if this girl breaks your heart. You can't control if your homie stole from you. You can't control these things. So stop sitting here focused and worried about it. You feel me? Get your French Montana head ass on. Talking about, I ain't worried about nothing. No, you worried about everything possible that can happen and go wrong. You feel me? Whole time. You be manifesting your negativity. You feel me? You manifest all the bad shit to go wrong in your life. You feel me? And guess why your life go bad? Because you be manifesting it. Because you in there always in a negative, low ass vibration. Always on some sad shit. You feel me? Whole time. Get your sob story nose ass back. Get your cry me a river head ass on. Stop all this sad ass shit, bro. Because nobody care about that, bro. You feel me? Understand this, bro. Be on some straight positive type timing. Think positively about your life. Think about the things that you can actively change in your life. Because there's a lot that you can actually change. You could go from broke to rich. You could go from fat to ripped and shredded. You know what I mean? Muscular. You could go from ugly to attractive. It's a lot of different things you could do in life. These are things you actively have control over. So focus on those. Prioritize those things that you have control over. And forget all the negative ass things in your goddamn past, bro. Get your history book head ass on. You worried about the past so damn much. But you literally letting the past dictate your future, bro. You feel me? You have control over your own future, bro. Stop letting the past have control over you, bro. Stop letting other people have control over you, bro. Stop comparing yourself to everybody else. Just be you. Be your damn self. Be proud of yourself, man. Understand that. Your parents, you feel me? Your mom and dad, you know what I mean, went crazy. You know what I mean? Your dad was beating your mom back up, blowing the tracks out there. I mean, like, y'all be doing all the time. But guess what? They had a kid. Who was that kid? Yo ass. You feel me? So think about it, bro. They put you here for a reason. So guess what? You're here for a reason. So be your damn self. Embrace yourself and learn that you can always get better, bro. Because you never reach the top of the mountain. Get your Mount Everest head ass on. Get your Mount Rushmore nose ass back. You never gonna reach the top, gang, if you so sitting here worried about being at the bottom. You have to look at the mountain, see the mountain, and try to figure out a way to get to the top. You feel me? So understand that, my brothers and my females, this is why your life sucks, and that's how you're gonna go about fixing it. With my mother the whole time. But look, man, you great, you powerful too. That's a fact, gang. Don't forget that. With a mother, get your amnesia head ass on. You great, you powerful. That's a fact. But look, man, do all these things, man. You're gonna be good. You're gonna be safe. Man, these are wives from who? Big LBR. But look what I'm saying. Like the video, but it's a fan, I'm saying. Subscribe now if you ain't subscribed, man. Don't forget you better get updated when I upload a new video. That's a fan, I'm saying. Follow me on Instagram at LBRDEZ, LBRDEZ. Follow my other Instagram at LBRDEZ. YouTube for me, both from the description box and the comments down below. Undo it's a fan, I'm saying. Hit me up on there if you need advice. Leave me video ideas in my DMs or the comment section below. Anything that's a fact, I'm saying. Follow me that TikTok, man, down to the fact, I'm saying. Follow me that TikTok, man, down to the fact, I'm saying. You watch it all the way through. That's a fact for me. Join up your gang, no, I can gang with, but look, man, I'm making a regular doing that, but today, man, you already know what to say, right? Bro, I hope this video helped a lot of y'all last week. I mean, I know I make my jokes here and there, you feel me, whole time, because I'm pretty sexy, you know what I mean? I'm funny as hell, you feel me? But I really hope a lot of this, a lot of y'all who watched this video all the way through. Shout out to you if you watched the video all the way through. I appreciate you. Definitely, if you just drop a like for Big LBR to go through. You know what I mean? I do this for y'all last, the LBR gamers, you feel me? But hopefully, bro, this video, help your mindset out. You realize, you know what I mean, different things that you're doing wrong in your life and things that you can actually improve on in your life. And you actually become a better version of yourself, bro. In turn, guess what's going to happen to you, bro? You're going to feel way better about your life. You actually eventually one day motivate somebody else. This is what I'm doing to y'all last. I'm giving you advice so that you could one day in a turn, bro, do the same thing I'm doing, you feel me? Gangster, because I'm no better than y'all ass. I'm just Big LBR to go the greatest, you know what I mean? Pretty safe, you feel me? But get you some WAP though for sure. I know your life sucks, but it sucks too if you don't get a WAP. But look, man, get you some WAP. But look, I'm out there a bit. Bro.